Leaking under your sink can turn into a total headache if you don't handle it right away, so here's what you gotta do to stop that drip fast. First off, check all the pipe connections under the sink because they can get loose over time, and just tightening them might fix the leak. If that doesn't work, take a look at the washers or gaskets inside those connections. Sometimes they wear out or get cracked, and swapping them out is an easy fix. Don't forget to turn off the water before you start messing with anything, or you'll have a mini flood on your hands. If you spot any visible cracks or rust on the pipes themselves, it's probably time to replace those parts completely. Using plumber's tape on threaded connections can help seal things better and stop leaks from creeping back. Also, keep a bucket handy to catch any drips while you work so you don't mess up your cabinets or floor. It's smart to inspect your plumbing every few months to catch leaks early before they get worse. And if you're ever unsure about what's going on, it's totally worth calling a pro instead of risking more damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with leaking sinks is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which can cause water damage and mold growth. Fix that by acting as soon as you spot a leak. Another common issue is not tightening the pipe connections properly or over-tightening them, which can either leave gaps or crack the pipes. Just get them snug, but don't force it. Lastly, many folks forget to replace old washers or gaskets regularly, thinking they last forever, but these little parts wear out and cause leaks, so keep an eye on their condition and swap them when needed. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who need to find trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searching. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who really need their skills and want quality work done right.